Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. It's a good time to get all the trends from the FNO space. Mangalam Maloo is joining us now. Mangalam?
It's a sparkling looking screen if you look at, the frontline indices. The Nifty well above that 24,750 mark. The Nifty bank at a record high. The Nifty bank at a Nifty itself at a 52-week high. All of that doing well. But I think the mid-cap index. The mid-cap index isn't participating in today's rally, but nothing really to worry about out there as well, because that too has been doing well in the earlier parts of the week. If you look at the advanced decline, it's split right down the middle. In fact, we have a little more number of stocks which are declining than the number of stocks which are advancing. But two things that I'm watching out for that may prevent a further melt-up from current levels. First part is the India VIX. Even as the market's moving higher, you would want the VIX to come lower, but that's not happened. In fact, the India VIX has seen a big surge, so the chart of the India VIX comes up for you. The second part that I'm looking at is that the Nifty put-call ratio has moved higher as well. So if you look at the stocks that are gaining, you do have the ones which have been underperforming, which are seeing some traction. So the likes of Asian Paints, HUL, Bharti Airtel, the consumption theme ahead of the festive season doing extremely well. And a large part of the short move, the move has been led by short covering in a couple of these calls. 25,400 call, 25,450 call, all of them have come in for a fair amount of short covering. On the way down, we've seen 25,700 and 25,600 put see a fair amount of writing as well. Typically, when this happens, it is something that takes the PCR higher. So the PCR, the put call ratio, has now moved to the higher end of the range, 1.44 versus 1.36. Typically, at these levels, we see a bit of consolidation and a cool off, after which the market moves higher. So that's something I'm watching out for. A lot of short positions added in a few IT names, Infosys, Wipro, both of them under pressure today, and a lot of long positions added in, again, consumption-related names. Gold, Muthoot Fincorp at, because of gold being at a record high, PG, Electroplast, again, electronics doing a lot better. So maybe one of those plays out there. Those two counters fairly well bid in today's trading session. Market looking sparkling. How far the sparkle goes is something that we'll have to watch out for, because the India VIX is higher and so is the put-call ratio.
As should be the case, right? It's Diwali. The screen has to sparkle, so does the markets. And so are you, Mangalam, sparkling.
Thank you.
So take a short break.
You have Patakia in your name, so there's a Patakia in your name.
Who would have thought that? Seriously.
Okay. Take a short break here on Trading Hour. And we're back with more on the other side. S&P Global Ratings is Neil Gopalakrishnan joins us on the other side. We put the spotlight on Indian corporates. Stay tuned.